My name is Aniruddha Deshmukh. I am the CEO of Mafatlal Industries. Mafatlal Industries actually is a very more than 105-year-old textile company and used to be one of the largest. Basically, our main strength is fabrics. Denim, we are one of the large denim manufacturers in India with a lot of exports. We also supply to both domestic brands, international brands, and in the domestic market. So denim is one area. हमारा plant इधर में है गुजरात में नवसारी में we have a plant. The other large business we have is textiles, where we do basically shirting fabric, whites, bleached and whites, and prints. So this also we have a fairly large capacity. This plant also is located in Gujarat, near Ahmedabad. We are doing school uniforms as one of our businesses, another large business, and then we have tenders. We also participate in a lot of textile and fabric related tenders, and we do a lot of tenders also. Our main strength is fabric. As a fabric company, every fabric company at some point of time will need to make a good entry into the ready-made segment. With this, we are, I would call it, not exactly call it a launch, it's sort of a relaunch, because the brand Trends has been around for quite some time. It has been one of the, I think, one of the oldest brands, but somehow never got the traction or momentum. But this is our main effort now, starting off with the Chandigarh launch conference that we are having today. So this is, our intention is that we convert our expertise and skill in fabrics into ready-made. Now, one is of course the expertise over there, but we also are very strong in retail. We have over 115 retail shops. They are called Mafatlal family shops. A lot of them are in West region, but there are some in other parts of the country also. So we have a retail presence. So once you have a fabric based expertise, both in denim and in shirting, and in cottons also, cottons both bottom weights also, and then you have a retail presence. This is a good opportunity for us to really grow and expand. Now, there are, in the apparel business, there are certain 2 or 3 what I call anchor categories or anchor areas that we will focus on, while it's a very wide collection that we will have, consisting of a lot of items, and they'll all be on display. The first, of course, is Mafatlal countrywide is known for its whites. Mafatlal के जो white रहते हैं, तो उसका काफ़ी सालों से expertise है. जो bleached white what we do has got a, हाँ जी, हाँ बहुत शुरू से whites में. तो ये जो expertise whites में है, जो अलग किस्म का white रहता है, उसको ready-made shirts में, so that is one what I call as the anchor category. So the skill of white fabric into ready-made white shirt, so that is one anchor category. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ हम white shirts देने वाले, उसके बाद में yarn dyed shirts है, checks, multiple things are there. Prints also will be there, but as a anchor, whites is one of the things. The दूसरा जो है वो है denim. अभी denim में ऐसा है कि we are manufacturers for over 20 years. We are one of the oldest denim manufacturers. The plant was started in 1996-97 in collaboration with Burlington of USA. It's a medium-sized plant, ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं है, but it's a medium-sized plant. But we are known, very well known domestically as well as a domestic manufacturer, as a manufacturer from India into the international trade. We are known very well. Our plant is in Navsari in Gujarat. The textile plant is in Nadiad, also in Gujarat. So this knowledge of denim, we would, because we interact with everyone, we know, we make presentations to various brands, and also this knowledge and expertise in denim, we would want to use it into denim ready-made. One thing we have seen is that the more well-known the brands are, their products are probably not as fashion-forward as some of the products from the not-so-well-known brands. So our focus will be on the high fashion products because we don't have, I mean, aspirations of which are too large. We want to be a niche player in high fashion, but very, very affordable product. I mean, that is one thing. That is what, similarly in white shirting also, it will be very affordable products. And the third main category that we are looking at is in terms of t-shirts. And t-shirts also, I'm basically focusing on solid t-shirts, which is not, say, all sorts of stripes and all, but just solid colored t-shirts. Not that we will have stripes and we will have other designs also, but everything needs a, sort of a focal point whenever you do. So these are going to be the three focal points of what our collections will be. It will be a very wide collection. We are starting off with the north region, and then of course we'll spread across. We want to make sure that we are steady and we grow not at any abnormal pace or anything, but that we anchor ourselves well. As I've said, our strengths essentially have been in fabric, which is our denim, our shirting, which is both whites and prints, and school uniform. That has been our strength area. Now this is another one which hopefully over the years to come we should be we would be able to